Hello ma'am, now I'm going to show the data structure 10 program binary search. First I created iHosting for input output function, and also I created a structure for tree node for constructing a tree node, and also I created a pointer left for the trees left node, and also in data for the data, and also as a root, and also tree node for the right pointer for the tree nodes right, and the root will be null. For inserting the search, I created the void insert for tree node of p and tree node of temp for creating a value for the temporary value, and also a void insert bst for the binary search tree int value. Here tree node as creating a temporary variable pointer as temp pointer temp is equal to new tree node for creating a new node, and also temp next data is equal to value, so the temp next data will be value, and a temp left is equal to a temporary value as right is equal to null. So if root is equal to null, then the root will have the temp, else the insert the data structures recursive function as root comma temp. So the void insertion binary search tree recursive function as tree node is p and a tree node as a pointer temp. If temp next data is greater than p of p next data, then the if statement p next left is equal to null, so the p next will be left is equal to temp, so the p next will be like temp. Else if insertion again a recursive function we are calling for the left for creating a left node in the tree, where created as else if p next right is equal to null, so p right is equal to temp. For the right, the right is null, so it will temporary value will add the value, else it will recursively insert the function as p right is equal to temporary value. For making it as a in order function, in order search, we created a tree node pointer p. If p is not equal to null, so it will create the in order function as p next it will be left. So first it will be inserting left, and next it will be the data as a root, and next it will be inserting the value as right. So this for creating a pre-order a same thing. If p is not equal to null, so it will shows as it will display the value as co. First it will display the data, and next it will be display the left side, and next it will be display the right side. The same thing in the void post order, it will shows as p is not equal to null, means again it will show it will first it will display the left, and it will display the right, and last only it will go to the data. In the main function, I create an integer data type as a and val for the value, and character as cs. For doing this, I created a set of statement for enter the choice and insertion into a search tree in order, pre-order, and post-order, and also created a switch statement of a. If as a case point, enter the value you want to enter, and the value will be read, and then for inserting the binary search tree of value break, and case 2 is in order of root break, and case 3 is pre-order of root break, and again if default will be like invaluable choice, rather than we giving any other instructions. So for again continuing this program we created, do you want to continue this s and c in s, while c in cs is equal to s, it will again go to the function do, and it will again enter from here, so that it will be recursively calling still that we are getting this. Okay, we are exceeding this. Now I'm going to run the program. Now I'm going to insert the binary search tree, enter the values 32, continue, yes. Again I'm going to insert the value 54, yes. Yes, I want to continue, yes. Again I'm going to insert, yes. Enter the values 77, yes. Now I'm going to show in in order function. So I'm going to choose the second one for in order. It will be displayed in order. As in order, it will show us 32, 54, 77. In order is like a LDR, like left data and right. It shows same as that. Now I'm going to show us pre-order. Pre-order 3. Now it will be 32, 54, 77. It is like data will come first and 54, 77. Same thing came. Yes. Now I'm going to show us post order. Fourth one. It is LDR method, so it shows us 74, 54, 32. No, that's all. Thank you, ma'am.